Hello, in this video I wanted to show you the way to put the predecessors to the schedule. So the most common is just to put the predecessor directly to this field. So now it means that the task 2 can start only after the task 1. But there are 4 different types of predecessors, and to set up it's better to go to the task card, task information, and change it here. I will set up now for the faster way to show the difference between these types of predecessors. So here we go, now it's the same. So let's start with the task 2. We will not change it. The predecessor type is finish to start, which means that task can be started only after the task it is linked with. It is linked with task ID 12, means this task. So the second one is start to start. This predecessor type says that task should be started together with the task it is linked with. Let's see how it changes in the graphical view. You see, both tasks start at the same date. So the next one is finish to finish. As you understand, this type of predecessor defines that both tasks should be finished at the same time. Let's apply the change. You see that the task is moved to the earlier day in the way that both tasks are finished on the same date. And the last one is start to finish. This type of predecessor means that task needs to be finished before linked task started. You will see the difference now. Now this block will move back before the task number 21. So one additional thing, and also you can combine the predecessors by putting comma and let's say the task ID number 12. So now this task 16 is connected both to the task 15 and task 12. Also important thing is that you are also able to add the lock for the task. Let's say we want to start the task number 13 after the task 12 finished and with a gap of 5 days. You see, the task is moved. So this is more or less all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.